Guys, I am here in Kaitak Arena. As you can see, this big screen, this one. I can see in our tower. Oh. Dining Cove, this village. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, wow, so nice. This is the big screen that I always saw, because our tower is over there. And then if I am in the terrace, I saw this one, the big screen. Nice, so nice. Wow, the ceiling is so elegant. Wow, you can sit here. Oh, the very big dog. So cute. Wow, too. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Vina. I will go to the Kaitak Stadium. Let's go. This is the surroundings. Wow. Finally I came here already. I reached already here. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Vina from Hong Kong. I want to explore to you the Kaitak Arena, the biggest stadium here in Hong Kong. Finally, I reached the biggest stadium here in Hong Kong. But I will see first this one. There is a climbing wall for the children. Wow, wow, so smart. Wow, wow, so strong. You see, so strong. Oh my God. wonderful. He's so amazing. Very amazing baby. Mm. You can see him how high he can reach. I think he is only 3 years old. Wow! Oh my God! He is so smart. And